So what is up, guys? This is the Yamaha 242, and this is the inside of this deck. Storage box, and this is the drain plug here for this storage box, and that is light coming through the bottom. As you can see, that's the floor down there. That's my tape, the blue tape mess on the floor. Okay. Alright. So what I'd like to do is cut this open. This is underneath. This is underneath here. This wire is where the drain comes through, the drain plug. Alright, and this is the beginning of the repair here. You can see the hole comes all the way down here. It's about 2 feet, 20 inches, 22 inches, something like that. And this needs to be patched from the inside. Behind the plug, indicated by the placement of the wire, is all gas tank. So what I have to do is pull the gas tank out. I've already removed the cover. Checked out everything. I showed you inside here. You see the wire hanging there. And the gas tank is basically removed by these bolts. Bracketed in. I'll probably have to remove this unit here and possibly a few wires here. Now you can see everything. Move some things aside, whatnot. Drain the tank and lift her up to get underneath. I'm assuming that most of the underneath looks like the same as this. I'd like to cut some access holes, 6 to 8 inches or so, and repair from there after the outboard repair is all set. I basically like to lay some fiber up inside there. And then obviously close the holes back up on this end and the gas tank and the hatch and all that. So that's where we're at. Just want to make a video. I figured that would be a better way to explain. Thanks again.